Hello, hello. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Sophia, your English teacher.
And hello, everyone. I am Zoe. I am a student, and I am very happy to be here.
Zoe, you look very happy today.
I am happy, Sophia, but I am also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
Because today we are talking about small talk. Speaking to new people is hard.
You are right. Speaking to new people can be scary, but small talk is actually very simple.
What exactly is small talk, Sophia?
Small talk is a polite conversation about simple things. We use it with neighbors, we use it with coworkers, we use it with people at the bus stop.
So we don't talk about politics or money.
No. Never talk about money. We talk about the weather. We talk about the weekend. We talk about jobs.
Okay, simple topics.
Yes. Today, we will learn the best phrases for small talk. We will practice together. Are you ready, Zoe?
I am ready. Let's start talking.
Part 1. Greetings. Better than hello. Okay, step number 1. You see a person you know. You say hello. But what comes next?
Usually I say, "How are you?"
How are you is good. It is correct, but native speakers often use other phrases.
Really? Like what?
We often say, how are you doing?
How are you doing?
Yes. Listen to the rhythm. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Another very common one is, how is it going?
How is it going? That sounds very friendly.
It is very friendly. Let's practice these two questions. Listeners, repeat after me. How are you doing? Again, how are you doing? Good. Now the second one. How is it going? How is it going?
Okay, Sophia, but if someone asks me these questions, what do I answer? I am fine?
I am fine is okay, but a better answer is pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yes, it means I am good. It is very natural. Or you can say not bad.
Not bad. I like that. It is short.
Let's practice the answers. Listeners, I will ask you. You answer pretty good. Sophia, how are you doing? Did you say pretty good? Excellent. Part 2, the weather, the magic topic. Now, imagine you are in an elevator or you are waiting for a bus. You want to speak. What is the best topic?
The weather. Everyone knows the weather.
Exactly. The weather is the magic topic. It is safe. It is easy.
If the sun is shining, what do I say?
You say, it is beautiful today, isn't it?
It is beautiful today, isn't it?
That little part at the end, isn't it, invites the other person to agree.
Ah, I see. It is beautiful today, isn't it?
Perfect. Or simple, what nice weather.
What nice weather.
Let's practice the sunny weather phrases. Listeners, look at the sky. Repeat after me. It is beautiful today. Again, it is beautiful today. Good. Now, but Zoe, what if it is raining? What if it is cold?
Then we complain.
Yes, we do. We say, it is terrible today.
It is terrible today.
Or we talk about the cold. It is freezing out there.
It is freezing out there. Freezing means very, very cold.
Correct. Let's practice the cold weather. Listeners, imagine you are shivering. Brr. Repeat after me. It is freezing today. Again, it is freezing today. Very good. Now you can talk to anyone about the sky. Okay, the next topic, when you meet a new person at a party, you want to know about their job.
I usually ask, what is your job? Is that rude?
It is not rude, but it is a little direct. A softer, better question is, what do you do?
What do you do?
Yes, short and simple. What do you do?
I understand. And how do I answer?
You use the verb to be. I am a teacher, or I work in a bank.
Okay, I am a student, or I work at a coffee shop.
Perfect. Let's practice the question first. Listeners, repeat after me. What do you do? Again, what do you do? Now, answer me. Tell me your job. What do you do? That is very interesting.
Sophia, if I answer, do I stop talking?
No, This is small talk. You must keep the ball moving. You ask, and you?
And you? That's easy.
Yes, I am a student. And you? This makes the conversation flow. Part 4, the weekend. Now, let's talk about time. If it is Monday or Tuesday, what do people talk about?
They talk about the weekend, Saturday and Sunday.
Correct. The question is, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Let's practice this. It is the most common Monday question. Listeners, repeat after me. How was your weekend? Again, how was your weekend? Zoe, how was your weekend?
It was great. I watched a movie.
It was great. That is a perfect answer. Or you can say, it was relaxing.
It was relaxing. That means I rested. I slept.
Yes. Or if you did nothing special, you say, it was quiet.
It was quiet.
Let's practice the answers. Listeners, repeat after me. It was great. It was relaxing. It was quiet. Very good. Now, what if it is Friday? Can I ask about the weekend on Friday?
Good question. On Friday, you ask about the future. You say, do you have plans for the weekend? Do you have plans for the weekend?
Exactly. Listeners, try that one. It's a bit long. Do you have plans for the weekend? Good job. Part 5, hobbies and fun. We talked about the weather, work, and weekends. Sometimes we want to know what people like.
Like hobbies, sports?
Yes. The question is, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun?
This is better than what is your hobby. It sounds more natural.
What do you do for fun?
I answer, I like to read, or I like to cook.
I like to play tennis.
Excellent. Let's practice. Listeners, repeat the question. What do you do for fun? Now, answer. I like to add your hobby. Very nice hobbies. Part 6, ending the conversation. Okay, Zoe, we talked, we are finished. We can't just run away.
No, we need to say goodbye politely.
Right. We need an exit phrase. A very good one is, it was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
This tells the person you are happy, but you are leaving.
Can I say nice to meet you?
Nice to meet you is for the start or the end of the first time you meet, but it was nice talking to you works every time.
I understand. It was nice talking to you.
And then the final goodbye. See you later or have a good day.
See you later. Have a good day.
Let's practice the ending. Listeners, repeat after me. It was nice talking to you. Again, it was nice talking to you. And the goodbye. Have a good day. Perfect. You are polite and friendly. Part 7, the shadowing dialogue. Zoe, we have all the pieces now. We have greetings, weather, work, weekend, hobbies, and goodbyes.
It's a lot of English.
It is, but now let's put it together. I will act as a person at a bus stop. You are Zoe.
Okay, a conversation at the bus stop.
Listeners, listen to our conversation. Then we will do shadowing where you repeat every sentence. Sophia and Zoe, conversation. Hi, how are you doing?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
Not bad. It is freezing today, isn't it?
Yes, it is terrible.
So, what do you do?
I am a student. And you?
I work in an office.
Well, here's my bus. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
Wow, that was easy.
See? It's simple. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Shadow us. Repeat immediately after we speak. Hi, how are you doing? Listeners, hi, how are you doing?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
Listeners, pretty good. Thanks. And you? Not bad. Listeners, not bad.
It is freezing today, isn't it?
Listeners, it is freezing today, isn't it?
Yes, it is terrible.
Listeners, yes, it is terrible.
So, what do you do?
Listeners, so what do you do?
I am a student. And you?
Listeners, I am a student. And you?
It was nice talking to you.
Listeners, it was nice talking to you.
Have a good day.
Listeners, have a good day. Excellent work, everyone. That sounded like a real conversation. Part 8, Review and Quiz. Before we finish our coffee and leave, let's do a quick quiz.
I love quizzes. Test me, Sophia.
Okay, I will give you a situation. You give me the English phrase. Situation 1. Sophia, you meet a friend. You don't want to say, how are you? You want something friendly. What do you say?
How is it going?
Correct. How is it going? Situation 2. Someone asks, how are you? You are happy. What is a natural answer?
Pretty good.
Yes, pretty good. Situation 3. Sophia, you want to ask about someone's job. What is the question?
Not what is your job. What do you do?
Perfect. What do you do? Situation 4. You are finishing the conversation. You are walking away. What do you say?
It was nice talking to you.
Exactly. And see you later.
I got 4 out of 4.
You are a small talk master now, Zoe. Well, that's all for today's episode on small talk.
Small talk is not scary